Swap crypto faster than ordering a pizza. No BS. Imagine 590 plus coins at your fingertips. 0.1% fees, swaps done in minutes. And there's also another little hack. Giants like Trocador and Monarica already trust it, but here's the kicker. It's hidden inside your favorite messaging app. If you want to know the secret, then make sure you stick around. I'll give you a quick heads up and show you how to unlock it before the next bull run in 2025. What I love about Xgram, guys, I know that people in the crypto space, we love to travel around, but government regulations in different countries, grey areas about cryptocurrency do make it very, very challenging. There's also a deep centralized liquidity here. And the best part, as mentioned in the intro, you can use this straight from your smartphone, whether you're using Android or Apple device, using Telegram. Very easy, very seamless, and you're essentially getting one of the, if not the best exchange rate in the market currently. Now, something really important to understand is there's a huge benefit actually for using this on Telegram rather than the web browser. You can actually get rewards in the token, guys. You can actually get rewarded in the Xgram token, and that's also going to support better cashbacks the more you use the Xgram platform. Let's just go and have a bit of a look at the popular exchange pairs on Xgram, guys. Over 590 pairs, which is absolutely fantastic with that deep liquidity and around 0.1% fee there for those swaps, guys. And the swaps are also very, very fast. You've got your popular ones, guys. You can go Doge to BTC, BTC to Doge, obviously going back the other way. You got XRP in there, old dogs like Neo, guys, Ton, all right, which is really important as well. You got your XRP, Ethereum, of course, guys. So lots of the good main ones in there. Monero. Also with the partnerships with Trocador, Monarica, and SwapSpace, that really does give a bit more integrity to Xgram in its early days. Xgram also boasting a 4.6 star review on Trustpilot, which is pretty astounding. Now, massive pro, guys, is the anonymity, guys. So you are anonymous when using Xgram, which I think is important. I think that internet privacy, security, all of that kind of thing should just be default, all right? The fact that people should want to try and get your information, whether it's kind of internet providers, governments, things like that, I think it's just a load of bollocks, to be completely honest. So your data and transactions remain confidential thanks to the principles of decentralization. Xgram guarantees that transaction information will not be disclosed to third parties. Our platform is trusted by traders who value their privacy, like me, in the world of digital assets. So that's just a no-brainer, and good to see that they are adopting that and got it on their homepage. So let's run through the simple steps for a quick exchange. Of course, I am on desktop at the moment, guys. So to exchange cryptocurrency online on Xgram, simply follow these easy steps. So step number one, of course, is choose your crypto. So select the cryptocurrencies you want to exchange. Xgram supports all popular digital assets, including, Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, all that stuff. Second, enter address, guys. So to exchange crypto, you need to enter the address where the funds will be sent. So enter your friend, family, work colleague's address, whatever it may be. Make sure you obviously enter the correct address. So something I always like to do if I'm sending a big amount, or even if I'm sending an amount for the first time, is just send a small test transaction just to make sure that it all goes through seamlessly. Once that arrives on the receiving end, then you can send the main amount, guys. So always for big amounts, I would say that. Doesn't hurt, even if it's just a small fee, which it really is a very small micro fee here, pretty much non-existent, and then send the big one. As blockchain transactions are irreversible, we know that, and any mistakes may result in the loss of funds. Okay, then guys, making a deposit. So to complete the exchange, send the required amount of digital assets to the provided address. All fees on Xgram are transparent with no hidden charges. So that's really, really great, because a lot of exchanges these days have these hidden exchange fees, which are not made transparent. And without naming names, I've actually been on the receiving end of that. You end up paying a lot more than what you expect, and it's just not a great feeling. And then after that, guys, it's as simple as receiving your crypto. What's really great as well, guys, is they're very transparent about FAQs down the bottom, which I think is really important for any project. One that really interested me is how long does it take to process withdrawal requests? Okay, so that's a biggie. You want to get your money out, how long does it take? All right, what's going on there? So let's have a look. All withdrawal requests are processed instantly thanks to our system, which guarantees high liquidity and reliable transaction execution. So really, really good to see there. So guys, overall, I think this is a really cool concept. I think what really does make it unique is the fact that it's no KYC, it's available on Telegram. You can get those rewards, guys. You can get those really, really juicy rewards in the Xgram token, and you can actually use that for some extra cashbacks down the line and as you're going through using this app. So I think it's really, really quite a good incentive to actually use it. The fees are super low as well. So all around, guys, it's a really, really cool little exchange service here, and it's got the 4.6 rating on Trustpilot as well, which I really, really do like as well. Now guys, make sure you always do your own research before investing or using anything that we promote on this channel, because at the end of the day, we're not financial advisors and this is not financial advice. You've got to take risks into consideration. Anything at the end of the day that you put into crypto, I'm talking every single dollar, if you're not prepared to lose that, that goes for anything you're investing in crypto and just period, to be honest, then don't invest it. You've got to expect to lose it. You've got to be okay with losing it. Especially right now with meme coins, all the different scams and things going on. It's just so easy to lose money these days. So just be careful out there, be diligent, do your own research. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, guys.